Hello students, fourth exercise before up to 7 problems completed. Now 8th question. In every gram of gold, a goldsmith mix 0.25 grams of silver and 0.05 grams of copper. What is the percentage of gold, silver and copper in every gram of gold? Means every 1 gram of gold, how much percent mix with gold, silver and copper? Weight of silver, they given 0.25 grams, weight of copper 0.05 grams. Total weight means total equal to 0.25 plus 0.05. We'll get 0.30 grams. 0.30 grams. Now weight of gold. Weight of gold equal to total 1 gram. Each gram means every gram means 1 gram. 1 gram minus 0.30 gram. We'll get 1 minus 0.30, we get 0.70, nothing but 0.7 gram. Now percent of gold. Gold percent equal to 7 by total 10 into 100. Percent means 100 equal to 0 get cancelled. 7 into 10 70%. 70% of gold and percent of silver. Percent of silver. Silver we get 25 by here 25 grams. 25 by 100 into 100. Here 100 get cancelled. 25%. Further 25% of silver and percent of copper means copper percent. Copper how much? 5 by 100 into 100. Here 100 get cancelled. 5%. So total will get 100%. Gold is 70%. For that silver 25%. Copper 5%. 9th question. 40% of a number is 800. Then find the number. Let the number equal to take x. See this answer. Let the number equal to take x. Further 40% of number. They given 40% of number equal to 800. Further 40% of number means x equal to 800. 40% means by 100. Half means into x equal to 800. For that x equal to 800 into this total fraction send that side. It will change it to reciprocal. 100 by 40. Here 0 get cancelled. 2 2s, 2 5s. And here 2 800 and means 400 into 5. We'll get 4 5s 20 means 2000. X equal to 2000. What is that x? Therefore required number. The required number equal to 2000. Now exercise 5, fifth exercise. First one, a shopkeeper bought a suitcase for 480 rupees and sold for it 540 rupees. Find the gain percent. Further, CP of suitcase. CP of suitcase means cost price of suitcase they given 480 rupees. And SP of suitcase equal to 540 rupees. 540. Here SP is more. SP is greater than CP. SP greater than CP will get gain. Gain or profit. Gain equal to how much? SP minus CP. 540 minus 480. We'll get 60 rupees. We'll get 60 rupees. This is gain. They are asking gain percent. Gain percent equal to gain by CP into 100. Gain by CP into 100. 60 by CP means 480 into 100. Here cancellation. See here 0 0 get cancelled. 0 0 6 8 48 means here 8 10 is there. Again 2 table 2 5s 2 4s. Again 2 2s 2 5s. So 5 5s 25 by 2 is there. 25 by 2 will get 12.5%. Otherwise change this decimals 12.5 gain percent. Second question. Ajay brought a TV for 15,000 and sold for 14,100 means CP 15,000, SP 14,100. Find loss percent. First CP of TV means cost price of TV equal to 15,000. Next SP of TV, selling price of TV 14,100. Here observe CP more. CP is greater than SP. CP more means will get loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP means 15,000 minus 14,100 will get 900 rupees loss. Loss percent equal to loss percentage equal to formula loss by CP, cost price into 100. Loss by CP into 100 will get loss percent. Loss how much? 900 by CP 15,000 into 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 zeros. Again 3 3s, 3 5s, 50s. And 1 0 get cancelled. Again here 5 1s, 5 2s. Total 3 into 2. Here 3 into 2. 3 2s, 6. What is this? Loss percent. Loss percent equal to 6%. Answer 6%. So the given again see CP of TV, cost price 15,000, selling price 14,100. Here CP is more. CP more means will get loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP. Will get 900 rupees. Loss percent equal to loss by CP into 100. 900 by 15,000 into 100. Here cancellation after will get 6. Loss percent equal to 6%. Here third question. Ramu sold a flat of land for 2,40,000 gaining 20%. For how much did he purchase the flat? First, selling price of flat means SP of flat equal to 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Gain percent equal to 20%. We'll get gain percent means SP. Formula selling price equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100. This is formula for finding SP original one. So SP they given 2,40,000. 2,40,000 equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent 20% by 100. For this 100 send that side, here multiply is divide is there, send this side, it will change it to multiply. Means 2,40,000 into 100 equal to CP into 100 plus 20%. 100 plus 20%. 100 plus 20 will get 120. 100 plus 20, 120. Then CP equal to this total bracket 1 send this side, it will change it to divide, means 2,40,000 into 100. Here 2,40,000 into 100, this total bracket send this side, it will change it to by 100 plus 20 120. Here cancellation, see here cancellation, 0 0 get cancelled, 12 ones 12 twos 24, means 0 0 0 0. So into 10 is there, 1 0, means 2 lakhs. CP is 2 lakhs. So therefore last final, the plat is purchased for 2 lakhs rupees.